In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to succeed in Getresponse email campaigns using A/B testing. A/B testing is one of the fastest and most reliable ways to improve your email open rates because it lets you compare two or more versions of the same email and automatically pick the one your audience responds to best. In this walkthrough, we'll focus specifically on testing subject lines, since that's usually where you see the biggest improvement in opens. First, from inside your Getresponse account, go to the main navigation and click on Tools. From the drop-down menu, choose Email Marketing. This is where you manage all of your newsletters and campaigns, and it's also where the A/B testing options live. Once you're on the email marketing page, look for the A/B Test tab near the top. Click on that tab, then select Create A/B Test. This opens the setup screen where you decide what part of the email you want to test. For this tutorial, choose the subject line option. Subject lines have a huge impact on whether people even open your email, so testing different versions can quickly show you what style, length, or wording your audience prefers. After selecting subject line, click Create Test to move on. Now you'll set up your variants. Think of variants as versions A and B of your subject line. Enter at least two different subject lines you want to test. For example, you might compare a short, curiosity-driven subject line with a more detailed, benefit-focused one. Make sure both are relevant to the same email content so the test is fair and accurate. When your subject line variants are ready, click Add Recipients to choose who will receive this campaign. You can select an existing list, a segment, or multiple lists depending on your strategy. Next, you'll configure the actual test rules. Click Configure A/B Test. Here, you'll set how long the test should run and how the winner will be decided. Typically, you'll specify a test duration, such as a few hours, and choose the metric, usually open rate for subject line tests. Turn on the option to send the winner automatically so that, once a clear winner is found, Getresponse sends the best performing subject line to the remaining recipients without you needing to log back in. When everything looks good, you're ready to launch. Click Send immediately to start the test. Getresponse will send your variants to a portion of your list, measure performance, and then roll out the winning subject line to the rest, helping you quickly maximize your open rates and overall campaign success.